What if I tell you that the same chores that you did in the morning, like sweeping your kitchen floor, folding your laundry, or even just describing how you organize your closet, could actually be worth $20 to $40 per hour? I know this sounds like a scam, but in 2026, the biggest AI companies in the world are hitting the wall. These companies, they have all the data from the internet, but unfortunately they don't have data on real life. They need to know how humans move, how we clean, how we interact with the physical world to train the next generation of household robots and smart assistants. So if you're interested in this kind of job, just stick with me until the end of this video so that by the time I finish explaining, you'll be able to start applying on your own. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Tapiwa Temere and Creative Cash Lab, where we learn, create, hustle and earn. While everyone is fighting for basic data entry jobs, with some of them paying low wages, there is a massive creative hustle happening right under your roof. Today I'm showing you how to turn your everyday expertise, yes, I mean your housework, into a high-paying remote career by becoming an AI trainer. We are diving deep straight into the Micro One platform, their AI recruiter, and how you can get vetted to start earning in USD right from the comfort of your own home. So if you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to get paid for what you already know, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Or even if you are tired of applying for other jobs and not getting positive response, just wait with me until the end so that you start applying on this one. Micro AI isn't just another local job board. It's a global talent engine. In the past, if you wanted to work for world-leading AI labs, you had to be in Silicon Valley, but not anymore. Micro AI has built a bridge that connects the most advanced technical companies in the world with skilled individuals across the globe. Whether you are in Lagos, London, Manila, Johannesburg, Micro One treats talent as a global resource. They handle all the complicated stuff, international payroll, compliance contracts, so you can focus on the work and get paid in a stable, strong currency like the US dollar. So the secret sauce of Micro AI is Zara. Zara is an AI recruiter and she's the one we have to impress. Unlike a human recruiter who might skim your resume for 5 seconds, Zara engages in a deep technical and behavioral interview. Why does this matter? Because once you pass Zara, you are vetted. In the world of high-paying remote work, vetted is the most powerful status you can have. And the most important thing you must know that if Zara vets you, it means Micro A1 has already verified your skills, your logic, and your communication. When companies hire through Micro One, they always keep the traditional 5-round interviews process because they trust Zara's assessment. To pass here, you need to be precise, you need to be honest, and demonstrate that you can explain complex things and that you can explain complex human tasks to a machine. That's what is most important. When most people hear about AI, they think you need a computer science degree. On Micro AI, that's a different story. You don't need a degree in science or computer science. The requirements are just simple. You need to have a creative mind, because most of the things you will be telling and explaining to a machine. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can join this global pool of talent. I'm going to show you how to apply on Micro One And if you are interested in this job, I'm going to put a link in the comment section so that you can go directly to Micro One through that link and apply for your job. So good luck, guys. Don't sleep on this one. Try your luck, apply and get paid to just do the normal work that you always do without getting paid in the comfort of your own home. To those who have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you keep updated whenever I post a new video.